election in charge for Tamil Nadu. We also have Sri Ram Mohan Naidu Garu, Honorable Union Minister for Civil Aviation. We have Honorable Union Minister of State for Communications and Rural Development, Sri Dr. Chandrasekhar, Pemasani Chandrasekhar Garu, and BJP State Media in charge, Ranganayakul Garu. I request Honorable Chief Minister Garu to address the press conference.
Honorable Minister Piyush Garu, Honorable Ministers Ram Mohan Naidu Garu, Pemasani Chandrasekhar Garu, Narasimha Garu, Ranganayakulu Garu, and friends. Now I am asking, can I respond to your questions or can I say something after that question and answers? What is the format you like? Choice is for media. Yeah, that's good. Friends, today I came here to remind the people of Tamil Nadu about their future. That future we will deliver. That is where I came here. You are all aware, Tamil Nadu is the cradle of Dravidian culture. We are all Dravidians. South Indian, everybody is calling, we are all Dravidians, but among all of us, historically if you can go through, we are all in combined province during British period. Chennai was the headquarters.